conceptual perspective, things people talk about it, design to be successful. All of the elements. The acquisition of some skills that are in high demand as the workforce evolves. We are offering training and courses in a number of skill sets that will be in high demand in this particular decade. From 2020 to 2030, we already know that there's going to be plenty demand for about 8 to 15 skill sets that don't require a formal education in the way of a degree of any kind, but just the skill sets that you can demonstrate. Some are copywriting, coding, UI design, public speaking, data management, content creation, what's another one? Digital advertising. That's another one. We are offering courses that are from 6 months to a year at the Visionetics Institute for Remote. From a conceptual perspective, things people talk about it, design to be successful.